The idea of the border has profound meaning to me. As a Mexican American, I always feel like I'm treading between two worlds.
That's Texas. That's Mexico.
I was born and raised in Mexico, then moved to the US where I raised my family. And I've spent my career traveling my homeland, sharing Mexican food and culture with the world.
Are you with me? I want to tell you things.
Now, I'm setting my sights directly on the place where my two beloved countries meet.
Little did they know that they came in to get the burrito and I'm gonna be making it for them, but what they don't know is I'm learning how to make them. I'm gonna taste. It's phenomenal, and it's so packed with so much flavor.
Welcome to South Texas. We're just starting.
Oh, yeah, take me there, take me there.
Come on.
Some people say Tex-Mex as though it's not a good thing. To us, it's everything. It's a culture in of itself. The food, the community, this is where Texas and Mexico come together for generations, if not centuries.
In this two-part special, I'm traveling the Texas-Mexico border from far west Texas to the Gulf of Mexico, breaking myths and misconceptions about the communities that live and thrive here.
¿Por qué querías abrir en Estados Unidos?
Porque siempre he buscado el sueño americano y que tuviera éxito en Estados Unidos. Abrimos el primero y fue un éxito tremendo desde el primer día.
And yet, the story at the border has always been a complicated one.
This country is always a bit fickle. You know, at times it loves you and it welcomes you and it wants to bring you in. And other times it's going to criminalize you.
Does it annoy you that the border gets such bad press?
It comes to a point where you say, hey, this is where I am from. I think that this sense of being from one region, that it's unique, and that's starting to see the benefits, not of what city has or the other, but what we have together.
But for all the complexities of La Frontera, these communities feel alive and connected in a way that I have not experienced in all my years of travel.
We have so much culture, so much history. So, a lot of the murals, those are the stories of our people.
And it's a great place where two countries and two cultures kind of converge and join together, and they form this special little place we call La Frontera.
Join me as I explore the border and all it has to offer, celebrating the richness, diversity, and possibilities that can't exist anywhere else. They say the grass is greener on the other side, but what happens when you're right on the fence? I'm Patty Hinich, and this is La Frontera.